And as Eswatini Football Association, maybe first and foremost to welcome people to the very facility, being the home of football. This is where we do our football administration, regulation of football. So we welcome every stakeholder that comes in to utilize the facility. It is a home of football, and it's a home of us all because it's not only about football. So we extend that hand to every community that may so wish to utilize the facility. And on the other side of the coin, we're about football. Our bias is in football. And on the football biasness, one may want to state that the foundation for success in football, it's in the preparation. I've heard the passionate plea from the president of school sports about whatever teams coming from schools use and all that. But ours in football is that the basis that gives you success is how well you prepare technically, your team, tactically, strategically, in your preparation fields. Any other things that you may want to utilize, thinking maybe they may give you success, maybe they are not. It's only to do with your psychology and maybe otherwise. But otherwise, as a football association, we have a great interest and a big interest in the ongoing competitions from schools. And we are also happy to note that in the month of August, Eswatini will be hosting games coming from the schools. We are hopeful that you'll be there, and because we already have an idea of how the calendar looks like in terms of football. Well, it's a FIFA week, and you know if it's a FIFA week, sometimes you have to be going out, but we are hopeful to be in the country this time around. We also be having a keen interest because the athletes that will be doing duty there, particularly in football, are our athletes. We also have an interest to see how they fare with their counterparts from the rest of the region, and also having that opportunity to utilize them going forward in various levels. They may be under 18s or will be under 18s, but we know that it doesn't end there. The ultimate is elite football, and elite football to which school sports would have played that very great role in the foundation and nurturing of the talent that will be there. We also want to extend our gratitude and join hands with everyone to Instacash for being the major driver. The investment that you've done to the sport of football, beyond what you are doing now, we've also seen your footprints across the country, and we are so ecstatic to also be a part of you, join with you, and also Eswatini TV for having extended their hand to actually say now we want to capture the moments of football to show beyond the realms of the playing grounds to whosoever that should be out there, even extending beyond the borders of the country to the global network. We also want to congratulate this partnership that was launched a few weeks ago, and now that we'll see coming to fruition. And we also want to say thank you to Eswatini TV, and also to not appeal, but request every participant to prepare themselves. The football eagle's eye will be there. We've got coaches all over. Even if we don't send our coaches, there are coaches all over coming from the schools who always come to the football office and say, oh yeah, there is There's a player in this school. There's a player there, because everyone else, they've got quite a keen interest on how well we perform as football, particularly when it comes to our national teams. So we want to say we are a part, and we have to go and speak to the authorities of football about how we can assist the Eswatini school sports when they host in August, so that we are part of that community of football development. Instacash, keep it up, well done. We cannot cease to ask. You might have said you were in your formative years, but you were a kid that started running even in the formative years. But our wish is prosperity in your business endeavors, so that we know that through your successes, you are also always there to plow back to the community that you reside in. Thank you so much to everyone for your attention. It's no more a welcome, but I've delivered a speech. Thank you.